Switching gears in the forecast. Have you been enjoying summer in March? This weekend is a great example. Tomorrow we're going to double down on it. Tomorrow we're going to be like 5 degrees warmer than you were today. Take a look at some of these numbers across the bay. Look at the South Bay. Let's get down into Monterey and Santa Cruz. You can see what your numbers look like down there. You're going to top out at 77 tomorrow in Santa Cruz. It'll be 81 in Salinas, 85 in downtown San Jose, 87 in Livermore. It was only in the upper 60s in the city today. I think you're going to have to bump up tomorrow. You'll probably go back up into the low mid-70s. It's going to be a really nice day. Mid-70s in San Francisco, nobody's really complaining, but it is weirdly warm any time of year. We've just been doing it a lot in March. So I think now a lot of people are like mid-70s in the city are like, what's weird about this? It's weird. This is the last day. When we start out Monday, we're going to shave about 10 degrees off these numbers. But the real story is what's coming for the middle of the week when nobody gets out of the mid-60s and there will be rain. It's a pretty dramatic change that is coming our way. We take a look out into the Pacific. We're finally starting to see things that look like life out here. You see a couple of areas of low pressure. There's one out here. You can see that one spinning in the distance. This is the one that matters. That one is going to develop itself into a pretty strong area. So you're going to have this deep area of low pressure. This is a big column of rising air, which means things are going to rush into it, which means it can start pulling the rest of the atmosphere towards it. And what that means is when we visualize the atmosphere slightly differently, it's going to be able to reach down into the subtropics and pull up this plume of moisture. We're not worried about a lot of rain here. It's not an atmospheric river. But it is proof that that system right there is reorienting the Pacific atmosphere. It's going to be able to break up the center of high pressure that's been keeping us so warm, for one. So we're going to get a lot cooler. But it's also going to deliver a small chance for rain. When we look at this in terms of what the rain's going to look like, we shouldn't get too excited. Here's a quick look ahead to how this likely comes together. Don't expect much rain out of this really until maybe Wednesday. So we're looking at Wednesday. You can see a few bands show up right about there. Wednesday and Thursday actually would be the 2 days that perhaps would be most likely. Let's look at it another way. That was the American model on the floor. This is the European model depiction of it. They're both kind of in line with rain maybe, but not much. So Monday is cloudy. Imagine that. We're going to have shade. And then we get into Tuesday, same story. Maybe a light shower comes in late Tuesday into Wednesday right there. And then this shows up. That's that weak front coming in from that fairly strong area of low pressure. Finally comes on shore. It brings us a little more rain probably Wednesday into Thursday, and then that's it. This will be done after that. When you look at the rainfall totals, it's not much. It's maybe about 1/10 or 2/10 of an inch of rain. So we're not super excited about the rain, but it is the temperature trend and the drop that really stands out. Look at the 7-day forecast for inland microclimates. We're in the mid-80s tomorrow, 67 degrees here for 3 days. And then we're just going to warm back up again. We get to next weekend, and by next Saturday, it's going to be in the low 80s. So don't be too bummed. If you missed your chance to get out and make the most of this, you could just do it again next weekend. Next Saturday is going to be pretty much just like today was.